Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video.
Here we go!
Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video. We got it on a table because we're unboxing a scooter. This scooter has 1,000 watt motor, 20 amp hour battery. It's got e-brake. It's got a battery just to e-brake it, which is insane. The thing I don't quite understand, it's got 6 lights on it, is I don't know why, I never understood why scooter technology isn't rolling over to the e-bike industry. This thing goes 34 miles per hour at 52 miles. It's got dual suspension. It's got an integrative LED screen. It does all kinds of neat little things and blah, blah, blah. It's a smart screen is what they call it. And it's only like 700, I think 50 bucks, $729, something like that. And it's super simple to put together. We're going to unbox it. We'll ride it. And last time I rode a scooter, I got a concussion. It's really hard to ride these and film at the same time without like mounting. I try to get y'all different angles. But the problem with scooters is they have no rake and trail. So if you let go of the handlebars, you're dead. I mean, you're gonna fall. And if you turn too hard, it'll fall. The steering and the wheel is like right here. You know what I mean? Like right there. As a bike, it's out further. So it has a what they call a rake and trail. So that's what makes them spooky. But at the same time, I can see why people want them. And I'm rambling a little bit. I'll keep talking, but let's unbox this. There's not much to put together. But I can see why people would want them. They're easy to pack. And the packaging, look at that. That's insane. I don't like this style of packaging because that puts these little balls all over the house or whatever. It's a little bit of a pain. The company's Ausom, AUSOM, which is kind of awesome to me. I like the name. These are popular. I do see these. I've ridden in Miami. I've ridden in DC. I've ridden really all over the place. And I do see these on the road. It's got a little pump. Dude, that is really nice. Really nice little kit. I get why people like them. They're fast. They're fun. They're a little spooky. And I get it. 100% get it. Dual suspension. This thing looks like some kind of commercial grade steel design. It's pretty cool. Yeah, inside here has a battery. I believe that is e-braking. Oh, all right, cool. That actually is a seat, which makes this super comfortable, a lot of fun. I just hate these. Ausom, please get rid of this. Come up with something else. Look what it's doing to the bike. I just hate this. I get the packaging, it's great packaging, but look what it does. That's gonna get all over people's houses and everything, their clothes. That sucks. All right, let's see here. The lighting is insane. Yeah, this is cool. It's got a seat with it. This is a lot of fun. Yeah, it's got lighting on the side, the back. It's not light. It's lighter than an e-bike, or some e-bikes. But sorry for all the white balls. You can feel the electricity. I don't know if you film or not, but if you keep these are great. You know how you put things in rice or whatever? If you hold on to these are, if I ever drop my phone or my drone in the water or whatever, I'll just stuff these into the crevices and put it in a bag and all this other stuff. These are really great to have. All right, so I'm gonna get this kind of cleaned up and I'll be right back. We're just gonna set it up and then we'll put it together. So this is called the Leopard. It's covered in all this packaging, but it's super simple to put together. We're gonna roll this back here and I'm gonna have you interact with me with this. I just wanna pull this back real quick and then we will do this together. All right, so we're just pulling this back. I'm gonna lift this up. Boom. And tighten this up. Not sure what that's for. So if we take this, loosen it up. Okay, so it's a extra lock. Gotcha. Sometimes it's just this, so we don't have to worry about it. So it's a double lock system. This right here is to adjust this to go up and down for shorter people or taller people. Let's get this on the ground so we can get the handlebars on. And really, that's about it. I do want to show you this. So this system fits right here. So I'll put the screws on, and then this will go on, and let me see here. Does this, so pull this off. This will lay itself down so it could be packaged. And then that'd be right here. There's a little button. Okay, that's what it does. That'll pack it down just like that. So when you want to ride, push the button, put this on, lock this down, then you can put your seat on right here. I wonder, does this need to come off? Come out? There it is. Okay, we got it. And this locks in, this locks. Boom. Then we need to tighten that down. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Let's get down and then we'll work on it. So I wanted to tell you just a few things about the bike. So I've been doing reviews for almost, I guess, 3 years now, and over 1,300 videos. One of the biggest problems that not this company, but scooters had in the past, come here, I'll show you. In the past is they can't get parts. So this company, I had to go look just to make sure before I spoke. You can get tires, you can get brakes, you can get rotors. They have replacement parts for all of this online, which is insane awesome. To be honest with you, it's gonna be a great review. I'm gonna be shocked that this is a bad review. The only thing I don't like is it just super not safe. Please wear a helmet, please wear a helmet. When I say not safe, like I said, here's the stem and there's your tire. You see what I'm saying? So it's super sensitive. They're a blast, a lot of fun. But please wear a helmet. But yeah, they have parts for this, which is insane. That's awesome. All right, so let's put this on and then we'll look at the camera, look at the LCD screen, and then we'll camera it up and let's ride. All righty, there we go. Sorry, I kept it running. Is this right? First time, that's what I'm talking about. What's another cool thing about this bike is everything's got blue Loctite on it. Every single thing has got blue Loctite on it. Blue Loctite is like a glue that keeps the screws from coming off. I can't tell you how no one does that in the bike industry. It's insane, and it's just a little bit of a dot will make this so it keeps it safe. It's insane. Let's see, let's put this on here. Okay. It just seems tight. You see how that is right there? Just seems tight because of this wire right here. You'd think that would have been up front, but it's all good. There we go. Put this on. Make sure your floor is clean because it's gonna get rowdy. And if you get a ball Allen, it would help you out tremendously, or you can take this screen off. I'm trying to do it the easy button. I'm about the easy button as much as possible. Man, this is gonna be, because I need it to be about like that, to be honest with you. There we go. I dropped one. All right, we're gonna tighten this down real quick. And what I'm gonna do is just adjust this where it's got a slight angle to it. And then I'll move this forward. So we'll be right back. All I'm gonna do is just tighten this down. All right, so these are all tightened down. I got a nice angle. I love these grips, the flat grips. I have a little bit of, I don't know, it's carpal tunnel, carpal, whatever it's called. It shoots electricity down my hand once in a while. These, because they're not round, got you guys, got you. That it just allows your hand to be flat, which is nice. And here's your throttle, your on and off, blah, blah, blah. But we're gonna turn this right like that, where we're comfortable. And now let's fire this thing up. Now this here, you're gonna have to have a key. The downside of that is if you don't have the key, you can hotwire this. I have done it in the past where I've lost the key and I've had to hotwire it. But the thing is it have the numbers? No, they don't even have numbers on it. So I'll tell you what, Ausom, if you put the number on your key and the number on the male and female end of this right here, it'd make this so much easier, because these can get lost. You cannot use this without this key. But I have went inside here and hotwired it and it worked. because I have lost this key with other electric e-bikes, scooters, excuse me. All right, so let's play with this thing. All right, let's pull this off here. All right, and then turn it on, off, on. Okay, so it's here. And that's the light. Can you see all this stuff? All right, cool. Okay, so showing your voltage. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna get you a little bit closer. Let me turn off this light. It usually helps. All right, so this is your trip. Looks like odometer. There's your battery. We got your lights on. It turns the lights off. It's showing your voltage here, your miles per hour, and then your mode. How do you do your mode? It's got turn signals. Okay, so you push this button right here. So let me go back. Okay, so that's 9 miles per hour, supposedly. 22 miles per hour, and then 34 miles per hour. It says single. I wonder if it's no, this is not a dual motor, right? Yeah, it's not a dual motor. So I wonder what that single means. Hold this down for a second, see what happens. Okay, that's off, on, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you can, I think you can adjust stuff here. That's miles per hour. Here's your mode. Not sure what all this stuff is, but tap this 3, and I think you can jailbreak this, but you have to tap this 3 times. All right, so cool, it goes back. Woo! And I mean, the lighting, it's insane. Let's back it up real quick. Turn the lights on. I got lights here. This needs a, oh, it's got a, it does. It's got a suspension in here. That's insane. Let's see, check the turn signals. Cool, got turn signals up front, back, brake lights. That's cool. Just amazing technology. I don't quite understand why the bike industry doesn't catch up. Like, how important is lighting on a bike? You know what I mean? Just trying to get it tight so the seat doesn't go down when I ride it. But it's got a piston inside here, which is insane. Plus it's got dual suspension. I know somebody's gonna ask, so I wanna show you real quick how to charge it. So where you charge it is right in here. You'll open this up, and there's a little plug right there. You just plug it in, and it fits right in a regular wall socket. So it just heads up there, and it self-closes itself. All right, super cool. Love the scooter. It is scary. Please wear a helmet. Let's go and camera this up, and let's go check this thing out, see how bad it is. Okay. It's not a lot of clearance, even though it says it's an off-road. All right, please wear a helmet when you're doing this. These are a lot of fun. This thing is crazy at the same time. All righty. Nice. All right, this thing's comfortable. I like it. All right, let's turn this on. Here, you can go with me with this. All right, let's see. So, flat. There we go. And turn signals on. Turn brakes, throttle. Whoa. Okay. All right. So I'm on pedal assist 1 right now. I got these guys cutting my grass. See you guys. All right, so I am 6 foot and 200 pounds. It's going about, it says 9 miles per hour. Sure we're not. See, that's spooky. All right, so, man, it's weird. 9 miles per hour is so slow. So let's tap this. It's on 2 now. Wow. That is fast. I don't want to let go of my hands. I'm nervous about that. But we're actually going 22 miles per hour. It's pretty cool. I don't like that. See the spookiness? Golly. This little piece right here is for like grocery bags. That'll hold your bag for you. Hey, babies. All right. We're going up a hill. Kind of flattens up here, so let's get up there first. This thing says that it can do up to a 25-degree grade, which is pretty crazy. With a 1,000-watt motor, you'd expect that. Look how spooky that is. All right, let's go. All right, we're on 3 now. Dude, I love it. Come on, let's see what it got. I don't see it doing 35. You could probably unlock it. Tell you what, 30 miles per hour on 2 tiny little wheels is scary already. I'm going up a hill right now. Let's see. About time to, it looks like they're starting to harvest the corn. All right, so we're on top of the hill. Let's see what happens. Okay. I can't get it to 35. I'm pretty sure you can probably jailbreak it. You got to tap that button 3 times to get into that screen. I'm just super nervous with this, with scooters. I mean, they're a lot of fun. I'm gonna keep it on 3. I don't know why anybody would put it on 1 or 2, personally. But here, hold on. The brakes are not as responsive as I'd like them to be. I held both of them down, and I've been on scooters before. Now, there's some scooters out there that are like, ooh, that thing jumped up. I've been on scooters before that are like $1,600, and they've got some insane braking and everything else. I don't want to give you any side views or let my hands off of this at all. So it's kind of spooky. But we are flying, man. 28, 29. Okay, we're at 30 miles per hour right now, but we are going downhill. 32, but again, this don't mean anything going downhill. A lot of places, e-bikes will govern it as well. So while you're going downhill, it'll quit giving you power once it hits a certain speed. Man, you see me kind of moving around. It can be spooky. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. It is a scooter though. I don't know how you could fix that with the rake and trail, you know what I mean? It doesn't like necessarily hills. I'm on a small hill and it's dropped almost 10 miles per hour going up this small hill. Hopefully you can hear me. But these are fun. They're spooky. They're fun. And I wish the technology would be on e-bikes like this. I mean, it's got dual suspension. It's got a suspension in the seat. $750. All right, let's go to the house. I want to show you braking real quick. That's the braking's not the best. I mean, I don't want to bust on it, but it's not. I've had better on scooters, but again, you get what you pay for. All right, see you at the house. All right. Well, I gotta tell you, I'm scared of these, and probably for good reason. I got a concussion on one of these. I was riding a scooter and I had a 360 out, and I was filming, blah, 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 and when I pulled it in, I just wiggled it and I fell, and I was probably about a mile out, like we normal ride, and I came back and I don't remember how I got home. So, but I was stupid. I didn't have a helmet on, and I just thought it was just real quick. You can get on these and just go, not like a bike where, I don't know, why does a bike feel like there's more to it than a scooter? You can just step over this and just go, you know what I mean? I meet a lot of hunters. This thing would be great for hunting. It's just the spookiness of the wheels, you know what I mean? But I like it, I approve it, I love it. $750 and you get a lot here. Just be safe, please be safe. And if you like videos like this, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell. There wasn't much to this one, but thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for your support, and I will see you next time.